Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Maps not working on your iPhone. First, Google Maps need your location access. To ensure that you have given location access to it, let's go to our settings, scroll down, and let's go to privacy and security. Let's select location services and make sure that it is toggled on like this. And let's find Google Maps on this list and select it. And under allow location access, make sure that you have selected always and also toggle on the precise location feature like this. Now let's go back to the main settings page. Let's scroll up and go to general. Scroll down a bit and let's tap on background app refresh. In here at the top, let's select this one and make sure that you have selected Wi-Fi and cellular data like that. And let's go back to this page and look for Google Maps again and make sure that it is toggled on like this. Now, once we're done in the settings, let's go open up our Google Maps app. And from here, let's click on our profile icon at the top right. And let's go to settings. In here, let's scroll down and go to about terms and privacy, which is usually at the very bottom of this page. And first, we select clear application data and click on OK. So this will clear all the data within your Google Maps, including offline maps and cache data and reset cookies. And if you want to continue with that, just click on OK. And again, let's go back to clicking on the profile icon at the top right. And let's go to settings once again. Let's go back to the about terms and privacy. And this time you're going to tap on reset Google usage ID and click on OK. See if that solves your problem. If not, the last resort would be to press and hold on Google Maps in here, click on remove app and delete app, and just reinstall it again from the App Store and see if that solves your problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.